welcome back to my channel. Today, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. The spring is officially here and that means you can find pretty much any item in my closet. I've got like shirts like this one that it's clearly for the summer, or you can find something a lot warmer like this sweater over here. Today I'm going to clean and organize my closet with you guys, but before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon. Alright, I think we're good to go. First, I like to take everything out of my closet and lay them on my bed. This way I can have a clear vision of what needs to go and what needs to stay. This cotton that I had in my closet has some essential oil of lavender on it so that it protects my clothes from moths or other insects that like to eat the fabrics. All appreciate how chill my dog is right here. I was like throwing all of these clothes next to her and she didn't even blink. Okay, another reason why I like to just take everything off the closet and like put them in a big pile is because I understand how much stuff I own, and that's also good for those who don't have anything to wear. I mean, just take all of your stuff out, throw them on your bed, and when you see this like huge mountain, you can't really see it on the camera, but it's a huge mountain of clothes. So you're not allowed to say that you don't have anything to wear anymore. Since the weather will only keep getting hotter, I don't need any of these turtlenecks out. I am, however, going to keep some hoodies because it can also get really cold in spring. You need to have everything in your closet because one day could be hot enough to wear this and the exact same day could start raining in the afternoon. So this is my boyfriend's sweater, by the way. I took it for him as a gift, but he's stuck in Italy and he can't come. So let's just put it over there and it's gonna be waiting for him. It might look like I'm just doing two piles of clothes right now and nothing is clean. This is the pile that needs to leave and this is the pile that needs to stay, but we're gonna see that later when I'm going to finish with all of those clothes outside.
Have you any idea what?
This is actually one of my favorite pieces that I own. I really like this dress, but I don't wear it that much because it's really short. This is also another piece that I really like, but this one is very short as well. Why are they making them so short? I don't understand.
Did he tell you why? Has anybody told you why?
Next, I'll go ahead and take a big box where I'm going to fold nicely and put everything I decided I don't need anymore so that they are out of the way and ready to be worn next year. Also here I'm going to add some cottons with lavender so that I know next year I'm going to find my clothes just as I left them and with no holes. That box that I just prepared, it wasn't full, but it is going to be full in like some time, maybe a month or so, because March is so unpredictable and sometimes it's very cold and it's raining. So I'm keeping a lot of like warm shirts outside. As you can see, I have a lot of long sleeve shirts because I get cold very easily, so I am keeping them out every spring because I'm sure I'm going to wear them at some point.
Okay guys, this is the last hard step. I am going to divide everything that remained into categories as they'll go inside the closet, like jeans, skirts, t-shirts, so that I can find fast whatever I need and I don't have to search through a pile of clothes.
Did he tell you why?
Okay, so I'm going to show you how to fold a long shirt because for many years I was doing it wrong. Probably because I'm stupid and you don't need to see someone to fold your long shirts. But if you are stupid like me, then you do the same as you do with any shirt. You put inside the sleeves and a little bit of the side, and then you take the end, you fold it halfway, and then you take the top and you fold it halfway in. Now I did it very badly, but you got the point. Alright, so I sectioned them into long sleeves, pants, any kind of pants that I'm wearing outside, short sleeves, any type of clothing that I'm wearing at home. It might be like pajamas, leggings, anything. And that big pile of things are the things that I'm going to hang inside the closet.
Just before I put everything inside, I like to pass with a scented wipe every surface on my closet so that I take away the additional dust that there might be from the clothes, and it just gives a nice smell. Once it gets dry, I am going to put everything inside however I like, and that's it.
Has anybody told you why? Have you any idea why? Did he tell you why? Has anybody told you why? Have you any idea why?
So right now I can't use the phrase I don't have anything to wear anymore because A, we all saw a huge pile of clothes that there was on my bed and it took me like forever to divide, and B, now everything is organized and I can just open my closet and find whatever I want in a second. At first I thought like, what am I doing? Why am I making this video? I don't have a huge like walk-in closet or anything like that. But when I saw that huge pile of clothes on my bed, it made me realize that there are people that they don't even own half of what I've got. And I think that sometimes we should be grateful for what we already have and not think, oh my god, I don't have a walk-in closet, I don't have, I don't know, an iPhone for example, because there are people that have way less than us and we should be grateful for what we already have and not look to what we don't have. But that's it, enough with the moral lessons. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope I'll see you on the next one. Bye!